picture of you by the car?
Yes, of course. Which car would you like?
This one's fine. Yeah.
You want my purse? Sorry.
So appreciate it.
Thank you. Yes. Do you have Instagram?
I do. So it's mainly on my YouTube, but
Oh yeah.
so my Instagram's gonna be the same thing, but double E at the end.
Too much? I'm too dank. Nice to meet you. That's
appreciate
dope.
you.
Yeah, where do you stay at?
Right now I'm Riverside.
Riverside. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm from Fallbrook, from San Diego.
Oh, okay.
So kind of down there, but I do a lot of events in July. There's gonna be a big car show like this, a whole street and stuff. If you're able to come out, that'd be dope. There's a lot of artists and creators.
Okay, so on your IG, is it the same?
Yes, to DNK.
Okay,
Yeah,
awesome.
and even if you have Facebook only, oh, thank you. On Google, you can put that in, and it'll pop up all my stuff.
Okay, do you actually post some of your events?
Yeah, I post everything on the Instagram and then Facebook on the stories.
Okay.
So yeah, let me know definitely.
Appreciate you.
Much. All right,
Thank
I'll
you.
remember that.
Same here.
Thank you.
Have a great one. All right, Dave, hell yeah. Tight. But June, I know there's a lot of shows coming up, a lot of dope shows, so I'll be hitting a few for sure. But Fallbrook ain't too far, so I'd always be down to hit that. Take a last lap. See what else cracking out here. See if they come over here. Excuse me, quick question. Would I be able to get a picture of you guys right next to this one?
Well, at least it's me. Are you okay with them?
It's just we have everything. I don't want the buzzball on it. Buzzball.
My phone too. Maybe let's leave our stuff right there.
Wait, no.
You should be good.
Just real quick.
It's only be a second. I'll hold it for you.
The Mexican and me never put your purse on the floor.
Bad luck.
Yes, it is bad luck. Yeah, there's my mom's voice in there. Like, no.
No, you're good. I totally understand. Get the. Appreciate you.
Thank you. Hi, do you have social media?
So this is my YouTube channel.
Okay.
So my Instagram's gonna be the same. It just has double E at the end. So spelled
Double E at the end?
So it's gonna be too
Okay.
much to see, but with the double E.
Okay.
But if you message me on my YouTube, I'll shoot you guys the Instagram.
Perfect.
If you
Thank
see someone
you.
with red hair, it's my account. It's me.
Not
Sabrina,
about-
by the way.
John, nice to meet
John,
you.
nice to meet you.
Bye bye.
Thank you.
Take care. I was just doing this extra footage and stuff. Okay.
Hey, you got a card, bro? I seen you guys on YouTube. I reckon I said walking back and forth. Don't see you, so you don't get in the picture.
All
right, man, thanks.
Appreciate you.
I'll be watching for you guys. That's my car right there.
Which one?
The black one right there.
Let's get you on here.
All right.
So what can you tell us about your vehicle?
Oh, it's a 49 Chevy. I bought it. It looked like a dirt bag, but I fixed it up, painted it, did the interior. And I did this to it right here. Put my new signature on there. La Fuente
Oh, are you from La Puente?
edition. Yeah.
Hell yeah. I'm born and raised in Almani.
Oh, yeah?
So it's there, right
Yeah,
next
my
door.
wife lives there.
Oh, hell yeah. That's what's up. So what's your next plan for it?
I'm just about done, man. Just about done with it. I just got to tidy up the interior. So I did the inside pretty
Ooh.
good. I just got to tidy some things up and I'm done.
Oh yeah, it looks,
For the
interior
white
looks
kitchen out of
nice.
the house.
Right, I hear that.
All right, thanks, man.
Thank you, appreciate you. Have a great one. Oh yeah, that's what's up, the La Fuente edition. Stuff like that is stuff that I like. That's awesome. But hell yeah, we be out here all the way from the SGV. For the most part. That's what's super big. We'll laugh at this stuff. But you got Damn It Solo from Monte with the Love Machine representing the Damn It Solo Car Club. But yeah, this shit is pretty tight. Dope event. They got the mariachi. Sounds pretty good. Almost.
My daughters love
Oh, I just saw the cutouts. They got the Puppet Master out here. Ooh, this is my jam right here. Familia Coachella. They got the Losses right here. Ooh, that looks so good. I bet it's not as much as I paid for at Rolling Loud. For Rolling Loud, for an elote cup, for those that don't know, it's corn in a cup. I paid $17. Can you believe that? Yeah. Oh yeah, that's dope ass pick right there. That's what's up.
Sorry.
Oh yeah. Let me. It's my YouTube channel, though.
Oh hell yeah! I appreciate you.
Appreciate you. Oh yeah. And then you got the Puppet Master with his puppets right there. That's just down.
Also want to thank all of you out there for being here today in this hot heat.
Got the old Scoop by Chuco cutout. But
And each and every one of you Car Club members, so far, all of you that's come out and spend the day here with us.
oh, I'm missing all the pictures right here.
50-50 raffle in about 10 minutes. You guys want to get those tickets for a 50-50 raffle. We can start in about 10 minutes.
Hopefully, if it's like a 1.2.
Can I get a picture of you by one of the cars?
My car?
Preferably.
We'll do the raffle, the 50-50. So
So we get the better angle.
for the 50-50.
Awesome, appreciate you.
Don't forget to tag me, Big Red
Of
Chula.
course. Thank you for hosting.
Yeah, thank
Appreciate you.
I love that.
Have a great one.
Cool air conditioning.
But yeah,
She's not supporting it. ClassicRadio.net, Big Red Chula, second hand of show and shot with
It's okay.
mix with DJ Redder
she's the
Sound.
one that hosted me at that place. It's her show. And that was her car right there. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and end this one. Figure out what's next. Appreciate you guys. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one.
None of them wanna get with me. My threads are fresh and I'm looking dead. Yo, what's up, what I'm gonna see?
Fence on the feet off.
Ended up on
And we out.
no name jump.
That was a dope shot for sure, though. Get off of there. They're gonna get another one. Get in there. Let's head out to the next one. See what else they got. I ain't trying to get hit with that music either. Group at Car Club. Got the hats. Press while you wait. Damn, you can get your own shirt. That's fucking down. It's so fucking fiddly. They got a lot of dope stuff there too. See what else they got. They got some coffee. Those look kind of good. Come on, let's get back at you. Let me just take a couple more pictures and we'll figure it out. See if I can get this. Oh man, I wanted to get a picture of it. Dang it. Hopefully it's target switches. Oh yeah, that homeboy hitting the switches. Oh yeah, that's dope. I made pretty much it on this video. Hopefully you guys like. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not already. I appreciate you for watching.